common mistakes when people file their taxes can include married filing joint versus married filing separate. If you're just got married, that's a great time to have a conversation with a professional. Generally speaking, we can go back and fix some of those mistakes, but much better to get it right the first time. I would also caution another rookie mistake is late filing without doing an extension. If you owe money, a classic case is self-employed person, they make $100,000 or 50 to 100,000 for a couple years, never filed an extension, never paying any taxes, they can get in trouble really fast. So imagine a hairstylist making 70 grand in Brooklyn or San Francisco, all that money's out the door, and not only the taxes piling up in the background, but a lot of interest and fees. So filing an extension, you can literally print it and sign it, send it in, and that should give you more time to file with avoiding some of the, for lack of better words, stupid penalties, preventable penalties. You still need to be paid in April 15th for the prior tax year that you're working on, but not filing an extension, that's a rookie mistake. Not keeping concurrent books and records can be something that bites you in the end. It's much better to be on time and use the financial information, get set up on some software rather than doing it. And while it's important to be knowledgeable about things, just as I like to be knowledgeable in plumbing, I don't do the plumbing. I pay someone else to do it. So it's still important to be knowledgeable, but don't try and educate your CPA or tax preparer. If you're doing that, time to find someone else.